Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Pavilion TV. Ààrẹ àná Olóyè Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí àjọ Inec wípé kí wọ́n jọ̀wọ́ kí wọ́n má dáná sun Nàìjíríà o. Gbogbo èsì ìdìbò tí wọ́n ń kà pátápátá kí wọ́n dáwọ́ rẹ̀ dúró nítorí pé gbogbo àmúyẹ tó yẹ kí ètò ìdìbò tó kọjá kí ó ní gbogbo rẹ̀ pátápátá ni wọn ò tẹ̀lé o. Kí wọn kí ó fagilé ìdìbò tí a dì ní ọjọ́ Sátidé tí ó kọjá o, nítorí pé inú àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kò dùn sí gbogbo nǹkan èsì ìdìbò tí wọ́n ń kà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fọ́nrán yìí níbi tí ààrẹ àná ti fi ọ̀rọ̀ náà ránṣẹ́. À ń padà bọ̀.
Chairman of Inec may claim ignorance, but he cannot fold his hands and do nothing when he knows that election process have been corrupted and most of the results that are brought outside Bivas and Sava are not true reflection of the will of Nigerians who have made their individual choice. At this stage, we do not need wittingly or unwittingly to set this country on fire with the greed, irresponsibility, and unpatriotic act of those who allegedly gave money to Inec officials for perversion and those who collected the blood money. Let me appeal to the chairman of Inec, if his hands are clean, to save Nigeria from the looming danger and disaster which is just waiting to happen. If the chairman can postpone elections 4 days to the election 4 years ago, he can do everything to rectify the errors of the last 2 days. No Bivas, no result to be acceptable. And no uploading through server, no result to be acceptable. Whereas Bivas and servers have been manipulated or rendered inactive.
Bákan náà, àwọn olùgbé ìpínlẹ̀ Rivers wọ́n mà ti gbéná wojú Gọ́vnà Wike wípé ó tẹ ojú àwọn mọ́lẹ̀. Gbogbo èsì ìdìbò tí àwọn ń gbọ́ kì í ṣe ohun tí àwọn dì. Àwọn ènìyàn yìí jáde wọ́n ń fi ẹ̀hónú hàn káàkiri ní ìpínlẹ̀ Rivers. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ ohun tí àwọn tí wọ́n fọ̀rọ̀ wá lẹ́nu wò tí wọ́n sọ. À ń padà bọ̀.
creating an enabling environment for the freest and fairest election Africa has ever had. Our worry is that kidnappers laid ambushed. Those who kidnap our destiny are worse than kidnappers of human beings. Because when they kidnap our destiny, they kidnap the destiny of millions of people. But the kidnapper of human beings kidnap only one individual. And the kidnappers of human beings, they accept ransom. But the kidnappers of our destiny, they don't accept ransom. We are here to tell Nigeria, and we want to appeal to the conscience of the security operatives that Nigeria is at the brink of change. Let us all key in to the wind of change. We cannot allow hoodlums who force their way to the corridors of power. We cannot allow hoodlums who hate our people. We cannot allow them to hijack our destiny. Our people voted their conscience yesterday. They voted their conscience yesterday. The reports we had from all the units in Ghana alone, every word PDP lost. We don't hate anybody, but we say there must be justice. We have pulling unit results. The fillers, reliable, dependable fillers we are getting is that those who find themselves at the corridors of power are tampering with the greatest machine of all times. Called the Bivas machine.
We finished our voting yesterday, and our votes that our people voted for us, some certain persons don't want the votes to count, and we want to vehemently refuse them. We are here. We won the elections in all the polling units, but of our greatest surprise, what we saw was a different ball game. First of all, the Bivas machines that were sent to the various units were all kept on flight mode. That is to say that after they did accreditation, they deliberately kept the Bivas machines on flight mode so that they cannot, as recommended by Inec, to transmit results from every polling unit. So to forestall the processes, they will tell us that network had issues just because some persons of the other party, the PDP, that is trying to hijack the process. They also went further to be giving presiding officers, POs, $100 US, and called them to come here to sign. They literally chased out all SDP agents that were supposed to be here. They chased us out, locked the place, and bombarded the place with security personnel. Today, we are law-abiding citizens of Nigeria. We have our rights, and our rights ought to be respected. So that is why we are here.
As the chairman of this local government, I can assure you that all the units in Ghana, according to the results sheet I have, is SDP that won. And then we were here to celebrate and also work peacefully with Inec since yesterday. But after some hours, let's say by 12 o'clock in the night, here in Inec office, some people call themselves chairman of Ghana local government, come in with some security and chase away our SDP, including myself. They chase me out of the garden, and the next thing I see that they begin bring out money to share to people that was those that they used to do the SPO and the PO that follow and do the INEC job. And even till now, as I'm telling you.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà, ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa. Bí gbogbo ètò kíka ìdìbò yìí ṣe ń lọ, a lérò pé ẹ̀yin náà ní èrò kan tàbí èkejì. Ẹ fi èrò tiyín ṣọwọ́ lórí comment section. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá ní gbogbo ìgbà. Ẹ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí, Pavilion TV, fún àwọn ìròyìn àsìkò àti kàyéfì. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá.